Hi, this is Mimi, born to sparkle and shine. It's a question I don't have a solution for. What do you do when you're around toxic people? Toxic people. They're not in my home, luckily. They've been in my home before, but not in my current home, which is good. But in your life. Could be work, could be friend group. Toxic people. What do you do? The people that you know when they walk in the room, you can feel the poison, feel the air. Those people. And I maybe talk to someone else, so I'm not saying I'm not toxic. But what do you do when you're around them? Like, do you ignore them? Do you set boundaries? I personally, so far, have been praying for a hedge of protection over myself. I'm not trying to lead anybody to any religion. And I also try to, when they talk to me, I try to swallow and breathe before I answer them back. Because my stepfather has said I go for the jugular and I cut deep, and that's truthful. I'm fine with that. So I basically hold in my feelings and thoughts until I get ready to murder with my words. So I gotta be careful, because then of course I'm in a 12-step program, so I have to make amends. So when you say something inappropriate, you have to make amends for it. So to keep me from having to making a 4-step amends, apology, whatever you want to call it, I try to not be the one doing the crazy. I may be thinking the crazy in my head, but not doing the crazy. I may be trying to gather your hair and make a voodoo doll. I may be trying to find a way to fit your body into a blue bin and make sure I seal up the hole so you don't leak out when you start really falling apart in the heat in the blue bin in my storage unit. That's what I'm trying to do. But anyway, I watch way too many murder shows, as you can tell. Way too many murder shows. But I'm just trying to survive a toxic environment. The kind of environment when you walk in, you feel nauseous. I pre-take my ulcer medicine knowing that the toxicity is going to make my stomach roll the minute they ask me a question. But I've been doing pretty good the last day that I've dealt with them. They would ask me a question, would breathe in, breathe out, swallow, in either order, so I could think about my answer. Because my answer needs to be respectful, because they're a human being, no matter how toxic or poisonous or evil of a snake they are. Anyway, so I've not murdered anybody today. I've not physically harmed anybody today or verbally assaulted anybody, so I'm doing pretty good. My whole goal is just to make it through this and do be good when I'm there with them. I'm trying not to tell on myself. I have more than one place of employment, so it could be either one of my jobs, it could be my friend group, you don't know. But it is real. Toxicity is real. Their poison fills the room. Their poison strangles everyone in the room. I've talked to these people away from them, and it poisons everyone in the room. So, I'm just trying to handle myself. I don't do well at it. I do develop stomach problems from it. I get very anxious. So I'm not handling it as well as I should be, because I tend to clam up, and then it just flows out. So my goal is to not let it flow out. Let them get whatever rope they need to get and figuratively cause their own problem. Wrap their own self up in rope. I don't like using the hang themselves, because I don't want to promote suicide, because suicide is wrong. Well, suicide is what it is, but it's not. It's a permanent, solution to a temporary problem. But when people feel like they do it, I understand. I've got people who've killed themselves in my life. Anyway, I'm just going to let them do their own thing to where whatever is supposed to happen will happen. I hate it is what it is. But they're just who they are, and they're being who they are every day in my face, and I need them to go away so that I can live a healthy, balanced life. But this is probably a lesson I'm supposed to learn from my higher power, to accept everybody and realize that I probably drive someone else crazy in this world. I am not perfect. I am very flawed me, and I probably cause someone else grief. I'm unmedicated today, as you can tell, so my thoughts flow differently when I'm not medicated from ADHD properly. I thought I would take a Saturday off. These people, they can't keep taking. The medication is helpful. It helps me have a more clear train of thought, Makes me like go down one hallway instead of 15 hallways and do really poorly at everything I do. Because I could do many things really poorly before ADHD meds were put on board. Anyway, I think it's my superpower, and they're trying to take up superpower, but I know that I have to act like I have sense and follow boundaries in the normal world so that people think you're normal, even though I know I'm a superhero. Anyway, I'm a unicorn. So this is Mimi. Oh, I saw a unicorn today. It was a unicorn-shaped hedge. Someone else said it was a llama, but it was a unicorn, so whatever. But they'd cut their hedge like a unicorn. We were going to buy chairs in the country, and we saw this, and Shelly was like, look at that. And I was like, so it was so cool. It was cute. Anyway, it's late. My brain is done. It's been done since I woke up, though. And I am Mimi, born to sparkle and shine. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit like if you like this video. Have a wonderful day. And if you have any suggestions in the comment section down below on how to deal with toxic people, please help me. I've read lots of self-help books. I am such in a panic around this person that I have a hard time putting them to action. So I probably need to practice them away from them and then be able to practice them with them, because they are doing what they're going to do. They're not doing it at me. It's not a personal attack on me. They are who they are, and I'm labeling them as what I think they are to me. I'm no therapist. I'm no psychologist, psychiatrist, anything of any training. I just know how they stress me the hell. I let them stress me the hell out. That's a choice I make. I need to choose to just let them do their own thing and like bounce off me like rubber. I don't let them stick to me anymore. I need to let them bounce off me like rubber and rubber. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's my goal. Take care of yourself. Use hand sanitizer, wash your hands, and get some rest.